All right, everyone. So I've actually been quite busy despite not having made any videos lately. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of scrap here that I've taken down from this chicken house, and I've also been building a privacy fence, metal privacy fence that I'll be getting into in another video. So it's been taking the majority of my time, but I've got to kind of stop what I'm doing right now and start to address some structural issue I have with the chicken house. I mean, the whole thing's a structural issue, but anyway, so when I removed part of this chicken house, I could have more room to bring in trailers and stuff in and out of the coop here. Some of my posts here have started to give way. So you see how these are, you can see right here where it's nice and bowed. It looks like it's about to snap, but up here did snap. And then over here is bowing pretty good, so it's about to let go. And down here, you can tell that these have already snapped here. So the structural integrity of the chicken house, since I removed some of the front up here, it's putting a lot of stress on these beams, and you can actually see the whole thing kind of bowing in. So I'm going to try to address that today, at least this one, because if I can save this one right here, I'm going to try to push it back in together, and that should help with the front and the beams directly beside it, and that way I can possibly save this. I put in 2 adjustable shoring posts to lift the trusses back to their original heights, and the plan is to put in a couple of 2x6x10s to help take some of the load off the truss web, or braces, I guess is what you would call it. Let's see how this is going to work out. Today was just kind of a trial run. I just wanted to see what it would take to get these right. And you can see after I put this one up, you can see how the roof is bowing back out towards where it originally was. And so I gotta go get some more of these 2x6s, and you can see where this one's like severely bowing. So I'm just trying to slowly but surely double up the support on these. And eventually I'll put some blocking in between here, and as well as some more, maybe some 6x6s or 4x4s, whatever I deem necessary. And I'll go in between these 8-foot on center post, and then drop one 4 feet on center. So eventually this old 1980s chicken house will be pretty solid. Sure beats having to buy new, that's for sure. You all take care.